Was that word always here? Or it just got bigger? Oh my god, it's a witch's mark. I finally became a witch! You were my familiar this whole time! Aw, you were with me since Evanescence days. How can you see into my eyes like open doors?
How can you see into my eyes like open?
Hi. Yeah, sure, come over. I'll make some coffee. Okay, great. Bye.
Hey, what's up? Can you tell me first what's the time? Because I gotta go back to work soon.
Oh, it's 12:30, I think, but let me check. Oh my god.
What?
It's 12:30. Not 12:29. Not 12:31. 12:30.
Okay.
Here's some coffee.
Thank you.
I knew you would say that.
Say what?
Thank you.
Don't people usually say that when you give them a cup of coffee?
Yeah, whatever, sure. Did you see that?
See what?
Oh my god, you're so oblivious.
What are you talking about?
Oh my god, I've seen this before. I put sugar in my coffee and you're here with me. And yeah, I've seen this before.
Yeah, it's called deja vu. People have it once in a while, you know?
No, this is different.
How is this different?
Well, I'm a witch. I have powers.
What? Are you crazy?
Did you see that? Did you see how the glass broke?
Yes.
Because I'm a witch, bitch! Hear my words, all the worlds. This is my friend who to her home you will send.